So, we have been in a touchless society, and I don't know about y'all, but I like to hug and I like to invade people's space. But there are some people that are still just a little bit uncomfortable with that. So I have a QR code, and I hope every one of you have a QR code in your phone, accessible, so that you can reach across the grocery aisle, that you can touch someone, connect with them wherever you are. Everyone loves to eat, and if they love to eat, they're using a menu, so they know what a QR code is by now. So get your QR code, make it unique. If you've never heard of that before, go on Google. You can find anything. You can get a PhD from Google University and get you a QR code today before you leave, because somebody needs you to reach across that aisle to share with them what you have.